Today is the day that I start my process of moving into an apartment. It's low-key kind of stressing me out. I have to go to a meeting at 11:30 with my academic advisor. Then after that, I'm not allowed to get the keys to my apartment until 1. So I think I'm going to meet up with one of the girls I'm living with and we're gonna like just hang out. I just need something to do for like an hour so I'm not just sitting there waiting. And we're off. I have like a 30-minute drive, but I got some stuff to move. Not a ton of stuff, but enough for right now. Oh my god, why is it so dark? That was so quick. My appointment was at 11:30 and I went in like 10 minutes early just to be early, and it's 11:31, so yeah, that was way faster than I thought it was gonna be, which I'm fine with. Got everything figured out, and yeah, now time to go meet up with my friend Kat, and then we're gonna move in around like 1. Lights open so that I can have some sort of light, because I also don't have a window. Not even close to being done. Don't even have my bed frame yet. This is day 1 of moving in. Good morning, guys. As you've seen, I've filmed a little bit of like the moving in process in like my room. It's been a process, but I have most of it. I do have a poster coming in that I think I'm gonna put above my bed. This is my room so far. So I have this rack right here, which if you didn't know, I have an Instagram where I sell secondhand thrifted stuff, and it's a bunch of stuff for different colleges. So if you want to follow that, I will put it right here. But I finally have my bed in here. It's kind of messy right now because I just woke up. There's that, a little side table. I hung these lights up just because I don't have a window. And then I have my desk from home as well. For my bathroom, I found this really cute shower curtain. And then I have my little setup here, all of my essentials. And then I have my closet. So I have all my shoes down there. The clothes that I brought that I need to hang are right here. So mainly just like some dress up stuff and then sweatshirts. And I have this bin that just has a bunch of like little tops in it for going out or just dressing up, whatever I need. And then this just has extra blankets in it. Okay, so apparently this is just a very long process of getting everything to my apartment and set up, but I think I am like pretty much done. The only thing is that I kind of do want some more wall decoration just because it feels empty still. But my poster that I was talking about earlier this week did come in. It's just this like map of New York City, which I'm obsessed with New York and I love it there. So I thought it would be cute. Instead of putting it like above my bed, I just put it right here. Just because I think it looks a little better by my desk. Since it is kind of smaller, it would just look out of proportion there. So I do need to look for something bigger to go right there. But then I also brought this bigger mirror from my house as well. So this room really just looks a lot like my old room. But as of now, that is about it. I'm pretty much all moved in. Let me know if you want a separate video that's like an apartment tour where I show overall like what everything looks like now, because everyone else's bedrooms are done too. So let me know if you want that. That is it for now. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.